how to sync your accounts, like your Google account in your Android phone. Yes.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see.
Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Evangeline speaking. Guys, in today's video, I want to share how to sync your accounts, like your Google account in your Android phone. Yes guys, kasi ang dami kasing hindi pa po alam. And not only that, napaka-useful ito guys. Kasi nga, almost all people forget their password. They don't record or put it on their their notebook or their screenshot. So guys, para hindi tayo mag-login ulit, no, sa phone natin, so kailangan natin i-sync. And let's go guys! First thing and foremost guys, we need to go to the settings. Yes. Settings. And ito po yung settings. Nakita nyo po. So here, let's find the account and sync in this phone guys. Accounts and sync, nakita nyo po. So, dapat yung mga accounts niyo po is naka-auto sync, no? Naka-sync po yan, auto sync. So, let's add an account guys. Paano yun? So, tap mo lang po yung add account. After that, so mag-display po yan kung Google or Facebook or Messenger ba. So itatap nyo po yung Google, ha? So maglo-loading po yan. So dito po, mag-check po tayo, or kung meron na po kayong existing account, pwede po kayo like mag-login. So pag wala guys, so for example, nakalimutan nyo po yung password nyo, tapos kailangan talaga kayong mag-create kasi nga nakalimutan nyo yung password nyo. And that guys, kung gusto nyo po, like for example, ma-recover nyo ulit yung yung Gmail account nyo, dapat lagyan nyo po ng current phone number nyo. Upang ma-recover yan, madali lang po yan, no? I-forget password nyo po, tapos maglilink po yan sa sa number nyo. Isasend po yung code. Ayun po, pwede na po kayo mag-change password. Tapos, wag nyo nang kalimutan ulit. So, tapos na guys. So, nakapag-account sync na po tayo sa Android phone po natin. Guys, thank you so much for watching and for supporting me. Guys, it's really very important to have a Gmail account. So, alam ko, ang daming minamaliit lang po yung tutorial kasi napaka-basic. Pero guys, hindi po, sa nakakaalam na po, hindi po yan para sa'yo actually. Para po yan sa hindi pa po nakakaalam. Tapos, nahiya silang magtanong. So, it's very easy and very basic of course. So, guys, kung gusto nyo pong manood pa more tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell button guys for you to stay updated sa mga tutorials ko, which is pinaka-basic. Yung next ko po is kung paano mag-generate ng SSS, lalong-lalo na sa wala pang SSS number. Daghang salamat guys sa